Can't hear you.
Yeah. The purpose of this project is for the member to learn or review basic research methods and present a well organized, well researched speech on any topic. All the best, Toastmaster Jisha.
Thank you. Shall I move ahead?
Yes.
Just give me a. There is earth right beneath your feet. The ground is an extension of who you are. This is a dialogue which I heard in the movie The Last Airbender. Good evening, Toastmasters, Tia Modi, guest. The Airbender is one of the favorite movie I have seen. But why I'm telling here, you may be thinking. Because that movie forced me to think. It helped me to realize that I also have that inward power which I need to control. And what is that? Yes, it is our mind. So I thought, how can I control my mind? Because for me, mind is nothing less than a huge maze which is as big as this universe. So I used to travel like peripatetic traveler within my mind where I used to hit various dead ends. So it was that moment I recognized that I need to find out the art of mind bending to tackle this down. So that was the moment where I learned about six thinking hats. So at this moment, I clearly learned that six thinking hat is going to help me to tackle this in various anchors, which was proposed by Edward de Bono. You can see his picture over here. He proposed this crystal ball idea in 1985, almost 30 to 35 years back. And at that moment, he was clear people are going to face a lot of problems where they need a lot more creative solutions. And that's how he came up with the idea of lateral thinking. So, what is the sixth thinking hat? Before I go ahead with that, I believe you can see a picture over here, an elephant with various kinds of opinions where people are actually coming up with. Exactly, this is what we are also facing. Thinking with a lot of confusions, emotions, information, hope, creativity, all crowd within our mind, just like juggling with a lot of balls. So it is this time for us to tackle how we can put our mind in a more focused manner and try to be more productive. So, what are these six thinking hats? The six hat thinking helps us to enable our mind in a group to think parallelly from different angles for one agenda or for one motive. So, that is what I am going to show here today in front of you through a small imaginary situation. We are all sitting in an online club. So imagine there is a situation, our club is going to turn into a hybrid club. I hope everyone know what is a hybrid club. Partially, some members will be face to face, whereas other set of members will be meeting online. So here, this agenda is in front of us. Now, before we go ahead, the first hat that we need to wear is none other than the white hat. So we all are wearing the white hat. And the important thing that we have to remember over here is white stands for a clean slate, where we are going to grab all the facts, informations that is connected to this agenda, how we can convert into a hybrid meeting. So the facts and informations in this point is none other than maybe how many members would be interested for face to face and which location they will be looking forward. So we already gathered that we all are thinking with the same perspective. From there, we are moving to the next hat. So we need to put down the white hat and take up the red hat, which clearly shows the hunches, the feelings we have to highlight in this point. So the red hat actually highlights the feelings or the heart, where we are actually, maybe it can be positive, it can be negative. At this moment, we are going to speak about those feelings. If hybrid meeting is going to come up, how are we going to actually relate to it? How are we going to actually deliver to it? Are we going to be a stable member? Moving ahead comes up the yellow hat, which is the most optimistic hat that can be compared to the sunshine. At this moment, we are clearly thinking how what are the best or the top-notch elements, however it is, the hybrid meeting is going to bring in. So here we have a lot of interesting facts. The best element could be the human connection, the solid human connection. So once we finalize it, we keep down the yellow hat and move ahead with the black hat. So as we are seen over here, the color, the darkest shade, all the challenges, the whatever kind of critical problems that we can face, we are going to brainstorm in this session. Once we lock all the problems, we keep the cat down and we move ahead with the green hat, which is the most creative hat. We already have the problems and we need to find out solution for this problem. First and foremost, if less members are there, how to improve the number of members for face-to-face session. Maybe location we can use as a beat. If location is going to be expensive, maybe we can extend to that extent to be a creative one, where one of us can give our living room as a location. So this is how we can be as creative as possible. So moving ahead, the next one is the blue hat, which is very important to recognize which all facts and figures we have listed. We need to weigh and balance to figure out the ultimate one to implement the decision. The blue hat is really important to take up in the beginning as well as in the end. For example, for our meeting, our TMOD Nida is actually wearing this blue hat, who is organizing the meeting and who is actually taking ahead in a very organized manner. So by using the six thinking hat, what happens is we are using the time in the most productive manner, as well as the outcome is the best which we can vouch. Many companies like IBM, Motorola, McDonald's have already come up with the testimony how productive their year has turned out whenever they used the six thinking hat. So it is this moment we have to recognize how to clearly use these kind of thinking techniques to make ourselves one of the best thinkers. And apart from that, remember, mind is a beautiful servant, but it is a dangerous master. Over to you, Tia Modi.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jisha, for